Tanya, can you believe this prime multi-layered Buchenstocken is made of real mahogany?
Honey, it's a bookshelf. You have like 12 at home.
But it's real mahogany.
I can't believe you brought us to Ikea for our 3rd wedding anniversary.
3 years married, 13 years dating. Give me a little credit here.
I just don't see the appeal. I mean, that's a bookshelf, that's a cabinet that looks like the other cabinets.
Tanya, it's not the cabinets that are beautiful. It's what's in the cabinets that are beautiful.
Gosh, are you kidding? This cabinet looks like every other cabinet we've passed every single time.
You dare disturb the Ikea Troll! No!
Fascinating! I've seen these on r/Ikea, but I've never seen them. Can I post you for karma, good sir?
Tony, we should go. I love the refrigerator running a marathon.
Those who disturb my slumber must pay for their blunder.
What does that mean?
It means you mustn't go. You must stay here. Those you must pay for my riddles. To leave, you must answer my riddles 3.
Oh!
True.
Fine. What's your riddle, Frodo?
Well, for one, I'm too hot, yet too cold. I'm too soft, yet too firm. But I'm reasonably priced at $5.99. Who am I?
Oh, I know this one! It's the nut stump! I just bought one yesterday.
Correct! Correct. For my second question, does this cut look infected to you?
I think that needs to be amputated.
Correct! For my third and my final riddle, do you remember me, Tony Tonenberg?
No. Shh. Wait a minute. I'd recognize that cut anywhere. Craig from middle school?
That's right.
I thought I lost you forever.
You did! You abandoned me here in Ikea 20 years ago on our 8th grade field trip.
Why did you take a field trip to an Ikea?
It was Swedish Heritage Month. And secondly, I have no quarrel with you, outsider. You may leave, but Tony, you must stay here with me.
What are you gonna do to me?
I'm going to make you stay here with me. In Ikea forever!
That's sweet! Is there extra room in that cabinet?
No. But there is a Dinglestirp in 4 blocks, 4 miles away. It's just your size.
Sweet, thanks, dude.
That's why I do all my furniture shopping at Ashley Home Source. Ashley Home Source, troll free since '93.